This video and this information could change your life. Just sit back, relax, and treat this video like a podcast and just pay attention. Hear me out for just a few minutes. Enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Now listen, today we're going to be talking about Myro. Now we're going to do an update, right? So Myro has been honestly dying out slowly, but it doesn't mean that it's necessarily over, right? So as you know, I had high hopes when things were, looking good here, but then as you know, the whole market kind of pooped itself and a lot of coins have dumped massively. Now, I do believe this is the beginning of a great start of Myro reversing, right? And the reason why I believe is, well, for multiple reasons. In terms of technical analysis, right? We actually break it down. If we go to like a weekly, right? We can actually see that Myro has pretty much had a lot of resistance over here, here, right? Here, and you can see we're kind of entering this zone, right? When we look at it, right, I'm gonna keep it very simple for you guys. You can see one tap, we could see Myro being here for a couple weeks now, and you can see the momentum slowly shifting. Now, if I go to the daily, right, if I go to the daily, we could pretty much draw it out like this, right? This big support, right? And the thing that's really giving me a clue that Myro is going to be starting to reverse is because we had a big momentum shift over the last couple days, taking out these highs, right? So in terms of structure, right, as long as Myro does not go below this area, right, as long as Myro kind of closes, let's say anywhere between here and here, technically this is going to be a lower low, right? Because this is a higher low. So not to make it too confusing, pretty much just imagine a staircase, boom, bang, okay, even, right? Even lows, then we have a higher high. And the way the market works is kind of like a staircase. So if we pull back down here and respect this, we have a higher low, right? Because this, if there was structure here and it started to go up, right? That would be a higher low compared to this one, right? Very simple. So the big thing about Myro though is we have to break past this big resistance zone. We can see multiple times, right? Touched here, touched here, touched here, touched here, touched here. Now that would indicate that we have so much confirmation that we are reversing. However, like I said, I do think it is early days of the reversal, right? Even if we would look in terms of trend lines, which I think trend lines are very powerful in crypto, right? I personally think they get actually respected so much in crypto compared to any other forex pair, and maybe then gold sometimes. But other than that, right? And you can see that this pretty much very nicely kind of breaks through this area here, which aligns with our support, which aligns with our break of structure at the top, right? And obviously there's a little bit of pullback. It's normal. Nothing's just going to go up and up until it starts expanding, right? So things are looking great. Now, in terms of the other side, right, let's look at Myro's potential, right? So Myro is not listed on a few big exchanges like Binance, like Coinbase, right? There's another one I had written down over here, which is actually very important. Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, right? So three very big exchanges. Currently only at a 70 million market cap, which is very low. And I do think the dog meme coins are going to be in the spotlight once the noobs start coming in. Once Bitcoin starts getting up to pretty much 100,000 and there's so many eyes on everybody, I do believe that is when everyone's going to be buying all these meme coins. So, what is my final prediction for Myro? Ladies and gentlemen, I think on a more realistic side, right? I do think Myro can hit that $3 to $5 billion market cap. I know, sounds crazy, right? Because we currently are sitting at a 70 million market cap. So if we were to go on a calculator, right, we were to go on a calculator and let's just say 4 billion, right? Because that's in between what I said. So 4 billion divided by 70 million, boom, would be roughly 57x, which I mean, hey, I think that's very doable, right? I do believe Myro will hit the low billions. And remember, someone like Future has this coin too. Now maybe he sold, maybe he didn't. But I do believe at the end of the day, all these coins will hit at least low billions in market cap when all these amateurs and noobs come in. So, if you personally believe in Myro, I would say now is the best time. Literally, when do you want to buy? At the bottom, right? I don't think Myro is dead, okay? I just think it's a sleeping giant. That is my opinion. I still have Myro, right? Obviously, I want Myro to succeed, but remember, this is a meme coin in the day, so just be a little bit cautious. But that's it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys next time.